Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken rod. First, you'll need to ensure your character meets the basic requirements, such as reaching at least level 20. Next, gather essential items like a sturdy fishing net and plenty of bait. We'll then walk through the step-by-step process, from initiating the quest with the right non-player character to successfully crafting your new rod. Finally, I'll share some valuable tips to make your experience smooth and enjoyable. Before embarking on your quest for the Kraken rod, preparation is key. Make sure your character has a fishing skill of at least 25. You'll need to acquire a durable fishing net and approximately 50 units of high-quality bait. Head to the coastal town and speak with Old Man Tiber, who initiates the quest. Also, double-check that you have at least 3 open inventory slots to carry the quest items and your new rod. Now let's dive into the steps to get your Kraken rod. After speaking with Old Man Tiber, he will send you to the sunken grotto. Travel there, which is about a 5-minute journey from the town. Once at the grotto, use your fishing net and bait to catch 10 deep-sea tentacles. These are crucial for crafting. After successfully gathering all the tentacles, return to Old Man Tiber and he will craft the Kraken rod for you. To make your Kraken rod quest even easier, here are some pro tips. Always bring more bait than you think you'll need, perhaps 75 units just in case. The sunken grotto can have some aggressive creatures, so be prepared for combat or bring a friend. Fishing in a small group can significantly speed up the process of catching tentacles. Finally, always ensure your gear is repaired and your inventory is clear before you set off.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.